Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. In this video, you will learn how to reset app preferences in your Samsung phones. First of all, understand that what is app preferences. In some of the app, you may have set some preferences. Okay, by default settings, by default, all apps have some settings. Okay, all apps have some default settings. Suppose if you would like to change those settings and if you customize some settings and default settings may be different, and if you would like to bring back to basic default settings, you should do reset on all apps. Okay, so for that what you have to do is go to the settings of your phone and then go to apps, and here click on these three vertical dots and click on reset app preferences. So app preferences will be reset and default options will be available on all apps. Okay, click on reset app preferences and click on reset, and yes, it has been done. So in this way you can easily reset app preferences for all apps in your Samsung phones. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.